Hey guys, today we're playing this game called Roblox. So today we're going on this one because it's number blocks to survive all the masters, okay. Disasters, okay. Survive all the warnings, okay. Ready to play? Okay. Let's go. I wanna be what number block should I be? I should be. Let me think. Close your eyes to which one I be. Okay. You close your eyes because you're not gonna watch if you don't close your eyes. Okay, guys. Close it, or else you're getting banned from Roblox. Like me. Okay. Okay. Now open your eyes, because now you can look now. I'm 21. 21, and let's see what's happening. Yo, 100. You're gonna be safe right there. Are you gonna be safe or not? Okay. 100. Can you hear me? Yes. He said I can hear you, but I can a little bit of hear you. That's what he said. That's what he said. Yo, he's about to die. Bro, he's about to die. Yo, 100. Let me zoom in quickly. Yo, look at that. Bro, did 100 die? No, he didn't die. What is that green thing? Oh, that thing. Okay, memes are getting banned from Roblox. Rainbow Flames. So just only those survived. What, 100 survived? And 15 survived? What comes after 21? 22, correct. That's 22 right there. Okay, what map are we? Oh, the tall building. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's go. 22. Okay, wait. I wanna go. Wait, I wanna go, but why is 9 and 8 so fast? Get out of my way, 100. You're fat. Get out. Get out of my inventory. Yo, 9, 15. Oh, in the green guy. Okay. Let's go on the suppose. Okay. 8, let's go. 100, you're too tall to go on here. Where is it? Oh, stay on. What is happening? Japanese? Okay, Japanese. Okay, you're back. Yo, can I stay right here? I'm kinda scared. I'm scared. Okay. Yo. I'm Japanese, but I'm not cool at all. Can I survive this? Yes or no? Comment down below. Uh-oh. Hey, you copy me? What the heck? Your new number block. I'm gonna be 18, okay. 6, what are you doing? Why is your arms so happy? And why are you so happy? Oh, we got 6. This is not funny at all. You right here? Nope. Right here? Nope. Right here. Oh, 64. Hi. How you doing? Yep, 64. Do not squish me. Oh, look at the back of your wall. Yo, it kind of looks like 60 right now. What the? Where did my hair go? Okay, let me just go. Time for that. Oh, there we go. I made it in time. Yo, it says that sign says number blocks. Just the home. A B C D. Did that say A B C D? A B B C. That's what it said. Okay. Oh no, I just hit myself. Yo, what the? Whoa! Did someone die with the number blocks? What was that? I hear. Was it the number blocks? Don't tell me what time it is. 4:33. Hey, what the heck? Stop touching me if you can't do that. Go touch someone else, 19. This is not funny at all. No blocks are in symbols. Get to higher ground. What just happened? What the? Did I just glitch? Did my whole body reset? Okay, that was kind of weird. Let me change back to 18. Okay, there we go. Much better. Much better now. Okay, get out of my way, 6. 6 transform. Yo, Octoblock. Nati is taking over the world of number blocks. We gotta stop him. He will stop number blocks worlds. Wait, is that snow on the TV again? Professional artists. Where's 19 and 20? Oh, there it is. 20. Let me go down with 16. I mean 64. There was 16. At 64, you're kind of back. Your back is kind of like something. I don't know. No, not these things. The gray number blocks. BBC. CBB. Oh, not again with these eyeballs. Yo, what happened? It's kind of creepy though. Did everybody die? What's happening? Is it glitching? Yo, look at that thing. Ring. There's a ring right here. How is supposed to do that? Stay indoors. I'm safe. I'm a little bit safe. I mean, yeah, I'm kind of safe. You know, black one. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing, number black one? Are you supposed to not be on die? Die. That didn't work. Bro, where? Oh, 1, you 64. You're pushing 1. Can you stop pushing 1? That is not nice. That is not nice. Stop pushing 1. Yo, look at this. Look at all of this. Oh. Yo, he just kicked something. And why am I slow? And why am I slow? That's the point. I survived. That's my name. And now I'm for one. Yep. I survived. I survived. Yo, did I just got that light? It was on the TV. Give me a second. And why am I still slow? There. Next map, please. I wanna go. Oh, now we're in here. Okay, in the school. Okay, I'm gonna be your teacher, guys. So make sure you be nice to me. Make sure you be nice to me. As you're getting grounded from your parents. Okay, let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna be the teacher, and I'm gonna be the teacher. I'm gonna be the teacher. I'm gonna be the teacher. Okay, you, buddy, you're gonna be the teacher. Excuse me? Excuse me, one? Who are you? What? Little one, little one, little one, little one, little one, little one. Yo, 100. We're gonna get out of this thingy. Oh! Yo, 64. 100. Yo, 100. Yo, 100, where are you? Look